yeah, so it's gonna be super easy. And as you can see, I already pried the tab open a little bit. You can break it off if you want accidentally. Anyways, you're gonna wanna open that up. It's gonna be easiest with a flat blade screwdriver. And then you're just going to want to push your wire through if you're going the easy way, if you have an easy box to get to. So I have a lot of wire up here and I'm gonna have to pull a little bit back. I don't know how much I got, but anyways, you grab your wire just like so. Wire, push it right through, just like so. And then make sure you have some sheathing in the box. I'm gonna leave a little bit extra just in case, just because it's kind of loose and I don't want it to fall back through. So anyways, squeeze it, push it up, and then you're going to want to push your screws up because those are attached to the wings. There's one, and there's two. And now that it's pretty much up there, it's ready to tighten down. That one can go a little bit more, and then double check this one. And then now they're both really tight. They're never going anywhere. All right, so once you get that stripped off, go ahead and either re-pigtail it back in. So take this apart, add your whites in here, take this apart, put your blacks in here, and then you can twist your grounds together or re-pigtail the grounds. So that's gonna be the best way, is to re-pigtail it so everything has a solid connection. Or you can just, if it's not pigtailed, you can take your 4 white wires or how many ever wires you have in here. You're gonna have at least one. So you'll take your multiple white wires and your wire from your fixture, the white wire, and take those 3 wires, put them all together. Same with the blacks and the grounds. All right, so I got my wires all pigtailed and stuffed neatly back into the box. I'm ready to put my light back in, which is right there. All right, once again, make sure your power is off before you start touching the wires. As you can see, my light is off right there. And then go ahead and start again. All right, as you can tell, it's always a struggle getting these stupid lights to line up with the screw holes. My screws are a little bit short, so longer screws are gonna be a lot easier, but the insulation behind it makes it a pain in the butt. So anyways, I'm gonna go turn this on. If it works, I'll put the cover on, and then we will have 3 lights perfectly lined up. Well, close enough. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this on, hopefully it works. Anyways, pretty much just gonna put this cover on and that's gonna be it. Oh, and I was gonna say, I wanna put a mask on it because all the insulation falling down. If you're dealing with stupid lights with insulation, it does kind of get in your lungs and kind of hurts for a bit. Anyways, also maybe put a long sleeve on because your arms do get some insulation on them as well. That's how you do it if you want to install another light on an existing circuit with the same switch. As you can see, turn them off with the same switch. All 3 come on at the same time. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks guys, hopefully this helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys back in the next one. God bless, peace out.